Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Today I'm going to be unboxing of the Nikon Coolpix P900. Now, my favorite camera is still a Nikon Coolpix L330 that I have here, which means that I could take pictures with, but I don't want to record stuff with the 720p, so I'm going to take a quick picture of it. And that's why we got our hashtags. So, by the way, it comes with the Canon PowerShot S660HS, which has a very angles. So we had very much time. I got it from this Christmas day, so yesterday. So let's get it right to the unboxing here. Sorry, I just get on a tripod here. Hold on. There you go. So we have our 16.0 megapixels. We know that a Quave 135 tele 2000 millimeters, high speed AF, Wi-Fi certified or NFC. The flips is over there. The Nikon Coolpix P900 is there. Again, there's a Nikon Coolpix logo. Alright, in the box, we need those packages that are included. We have our Coolpix P900, Nikon Coolpix P900 itself with the digital camera, a strap, a rechargeable Li-on battery. I wanted with the official one. Charging AC adapter, USB cable, user's manual and warranty, or specifications and equipment are subject to change without any notice or obligation on the part of the manufacturer. Okay, so we know that HDMI high definition multimedia interface powered by Zenrin here, Maps for Life, and SDXC are for the color warnings, and CE code included too. Alright, so you have the Coolpix over there. You got a yellow or that one. It's the black one. Okay, so let's get it right to the unboxing here. Alright, we got here warranty programs in the camera accessory USA. Visit our website at nikonusa.com/register. The instruction manuals are a quick start guide right now. So, sorry, I get the tripod, and there you go. Alright, so what's inside the box? We got our straps over there, just like the Canon PowerShot S660HS. We know this properly. We use the S630IS, comes with the compatibles with the same as the Nikon Coolpix L330. So, but not as a possible way, but it says the Coolpix here. Let's put it on the side for now. And comes with the USB adapter or a USB cable, or I guess. Looks cool. I know what's probably when I'm doing this, so I know this is gonna be the micro USB connector, the same as the Samsung Galaxy Note series for Verizon or any cell phone carriers or any for Verizon stuff, but not AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. We got our charging adapter, a cable, I guess. If it says official Nikon here, we could plug it in by the socket, I guess. I know it's probably doing this. And I got a battery. I know, so I want the official extra battery that I want. So let's see. It says, hold on, let me check focus. Official Nikon lithium ion battery pack ENEL 23 1850 milliamp hours 7.1 WH 3.8 volts. Whatever I want to call this, is a mobile. And the last one, the camera itself. Alright. So, wow, that looks awesome. Check out how it fixed go. And also with the zoom lens. Okay, so this is the same thing as a Nikon Coolpix L330 that I wanted to try to mean to. So my back's hurting, so let me check it out with the recording, the same thing as well. So heavy. Wow, the flip LCD screen, I love that, So let me check it out. We have the mode dial button, just whatever thingy, timer, OK buttons, and playback, record buttons, viewfinder here, and we got our on and off buttons, mode dial switch, a flash. Wow, it looks big, and lens cap is on right now. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't have a lens, so we got a full HD 83 times optical zoom with wide. Over here has full HD, and we have a Wi-Fi, and so we know that. So we got the button that's also like a zoom lever flash over there. 24 2000mm lens, but not a DSLR. I didn't get the Canon EOS 60D, 70D, and 80D that I graduated from high school. So we have our battery cover right here. I have an SD card slot, but at least I need to put the battery in. But right now, all we gotta do is we're gonna select the battery, or not. We got a shutter button. Ignore that. Let's see hold on a second. There we go. We got a micro USB port or an HDMI port. You know, that's where the buttons are ways. So let's go ahead and pop the battery and put the battery in the slot. Okay. Let's see what happens. I guess this is the battery's. Oh, I think the battery's in the. I guess it needs on right now. There we go. So let me set it up, cause I'll be right back. We have our first impressions, but I don't know why it's on first impressions. So I'll be right back. Cause you know this. Peace out. Alright, so we got it here. You're gonna do this before. I'm gonna record it on the videos, and so we're gonna test it in doing it. So we're gonna test out to see. We're gonna 1080p's in a slot. We're gonna test it to see what's going on YouTube videos. So we're gonna do this tomorrow, but we're not gonna do it tomorrow. We're gonna do it today, but we're gonna test it before, as we see. How do I like my camera? It's good. It's good to see. I know it before. So if you're gonna subscribe for more content, it's the Privacy J Productions, and the Instagram is JTech727. Thanks for watching. Peace out.